Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on two-factor authentication on Ticketmaster in 2026. Now, two-factor authentication keeps your account much more secure by requiring a code in addition to your password. So here is how you can do it. First of all, you need to come here on ticketmaster.com. After that, simply just log in into your account if you haven't already. Now here click on the option of my account on the top right hand corner. Now click on the option of my profile. Over here click on the option of profile details. So when you do this you will be landed here on this particular page. Now here among the given tabs on the top click on the option of sign in and security. Now over here in the sign in and security you will be given two options. The first is of add a passkey and the second one is of updating your password. So here if you select the option of add a passkey, you will be able to add extra layer of security on your Ticketmaster account. In it you can basically use your face, fingerprints or a device lock. You can skip entering your password with it and it is going to be protected your account from password phishing. So here when you click on the option of add passkeys, it is going to redirect you on the next page. So on the next page, you can basically authenticate your account with the help of the Authenticator application. For it, you can use either the Google Authenticator or Microsoft Authenticator. So after doing this, it will be very easy for you to basically set up the authentication here for your Ticketmaster account. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.